How teenagers are using AI to earn money without a traditional job. Introduction. In 2025, tech-savvy teenagers are discovering that they don't need traditional part-time jobs to earn money. With artificial intelligence, AI tools at their fingertips, they're launching creative side hustles from their bedrooms. Even billionaire Mark Cuban has said that if he were 16 again, he'd start an AI side hustle, emphasizing how valuable AI skills have become. From building apps and running automation agencies to selling AI-generated art and freelancing online, teens are turning their creativity and curiosity into hundreds of dollars a day. This guide explores real-life examples of teens already succeeding, the AI tools and platforms they're using, popular business models, step-by-step workflows, and important legal, ethical considerations. Real-life success stories. AI nutrition app startup, an 18-year-old built Cal AI, an app that estimates calories from a photo. It reached 5 million downloads in 8 months and earned millions in monthly revenue, proving that a simple idea combined with AI tech can scale fast. AI automation agency. A UK teen started with just a laptop and £100, offering AI-powered virtual assistant services to businesses. 2 years later, she runs a £50,000 per month agency with a small remote team. AI art and design sales. A 15-year-old from Leeds earned over $30,000 in 6 months selling AI-generated artwork to interior designers. He automated orders and deliveries so the business runs in under 10 hours per week. Freelance AI copywriting. A 16-year-old earns $100 per day, offering AI-assisted writing and chatbot development on Fiverr. By using AI for drafting and polishing content, he provides affordable and fast services that small businesses value. AI consulting for local businesses. One teen made nearly $15,000 in a single day by selling AI solutions like chatbots and booking systems to local companies. Using no-code AI tools, he packaged solutions that saved businesses money and charged high upfront fees. These examples show how teenagers can turn creativity, basic tech skills, and AI tools into real money-making ventures. AI tools and platforms teens are using. Writing and copy. ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai help teens write blogs, ads, or scripts quickly. Image creation. Midjourney, DALLE, Stable Diffusion, and Canva enable original art, graphics, and logos. Video and voice. Victory InVideo and Synthesia create AI-generated videos, while 11 Labs and other text-to-speech tools make realistic voiceovers. Automation. Zapier, Make.com, and N8N connect apps and automate workflows. Teens with coding skills also use Python with AI APIs. Marketplaces and platforms, Fiverr, Etsy, Redbubble, YouTube, TikTok, and Shopify allow teens to monetize services, art, content, or products. Most of these tools have free or low-cost plans, meaning the barrier to entry is more about creativity than money. Common AI-powered business models for teens. 1. AI content creation and copywriting. Offer blog posts, product descriptions, or social media captions. Use AI to draft content, then refine and fact check. Start small on platforms like Fiverr, then raise prices as experience grows. 2nd, social media and YouTube automation. Create faceless YouTube or TikTok channels using AI-generated scripts, voices, and visuals. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links. Success requires consistency, creativity, and niche selection. 3rd, AI-generated art and design sales. Sell AI-created prints, posters, or custom artwork via Etsy or print-on-demand platforms. Offer commissions for unique requests, e.g. book covers, logos, or decor pieces. Upskill and refine AI images for quality results. Non-Gaude. Affiliate marketing, mushroom blogging. Launch a niche blog and use AI to generate content faster. Monetize with affiliate links to products or services. Focus on valuable, accurate content to stand out from low-quality AI spam. Einnahme merchant, dropshipping. Run a Shopify store without holding inventory. Use AI to write product descriptions, create ads, and automate customer service. Test products and scale winners carefully to avoid ad budget losses. 6. Developing chatbots and AI apps. Build or configure chatbots for small businesses using no-code or low-code tools. Charge setup fees and recurring maintenance costs. Teens with coding skills can also develop small AI-powered web apps. 7. Tutoring and education services. Use AI to generate practice problems, flashcards, or study guides. Offer tutoring sessions or sell digital resources. Create educational YouTube content or ebooks for extra income. 8. Advanced coding and AI development. Build custom apps, bots, or trading algorithms for learning and skill building. More advanced but valuable for long-term career and entrepreneurial goals, legal, ethical, and safety considerations. Age restrictions. Many platforms require users to be 18. Fiverr allows 13 plus with parental consent, but others like Upwork or Stripe may require parents' help. Taxes and business setup. Even minors owe taxes on income, track earnings, and involve parents in filing and legal setup. Online safety, never share personal addresses, use official platforms, and beware of scams. Ethics. Don't use AI to plagiarize, cheat, or generate misleading content. Always fact check and be transparent about affiliate links or AI use when required. Copyright and ownership. Check licensing terms of AI tools. Ensure you have rights to sell or transfer work made with them. Time balance. Avoid burnout. Treat your hustle like a part-time job and balance it with school, friends, and family. Getting started, costs, skills, and time. Most AI hustles have low startup costs, often under $50. Skills can be learned online, often with free resources. Time commitments vary. Some models, like blogging, build slowly, while others, Like freelancing can start earning right away. And for example, freelance writing might require a few hours per article, but can pay $50 to $200 per project. And social media content creation requires consistency, but can snowball into passive ad revenue. Selling AI art might start at $5 to $20 per piece, but scale into hundreds per month with niches like interior design. The key is to start small, learn, and scale gradually. AI allows teens to do more in less time, but success still takes creativity, effort, and persistence. Conclusion: AI has opened the door for teenagers to earn money online in ways unthinkable just a few years ago. From content creation and freelancing to art, e-commerce, and tutoring, teens are building real businesses with little more than a laptop, an internet connection, and curiosity. These projects aren't just about making money. They're building future-ready skills like problem-solving, marketing, and client communication. Even if one idea doesn't work out, the experience gained is invaluable. And if you're a teen or a parent, view AI as a tool to explore entrepreneurship safely and responsibly. Start with something small, experiment, and let it grow. Your first $50 online could be the start of a skill set or even a business, and that shapes your future. In short, AI won't make you rich overnight, but if you use it creatively and ethically, it can turn teenage curiosity into real-world income and confidence.